Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. Hi, today I will show you the solution for question 3. For my part, I will show you how to solve question A. In question A, it asks us what is our opinion in this case, which is at track at B, the normal reaction at this point is 0 for the roller coaster. Okay, this is the solution. Firstly, you need to draw an FBD at point B. Okay, N is downward and also W is downward. And you also need to draw a kinetic diagram. Okay, kinetic diagram MA is also downward. Alright, next. For this question, we need to use Newton's second law, which is summation Fn is equal to Ma. Alright. Next, W plus N equals to Man. And we all know W is equal to mg. Okay. So, we put mg plus N equals to Man. Next, we need to move mg to the other side and become N equals to Man minus mg. Therefore, An equals to V square over rho. Alright, then we need to substitute An into this equation. So it becomes N equals to M V square over rho minus mg. And one more thing, if we assume M V square over rho is less than mg, okay, then if we substitute a value into this formula, N will get a negative value. Okay, if N got negative value, the roller coaster will leave the track. Okay, so it's very dangerous. So for this question, N, we must assume 0. Okay, so it will become 0 equals to mv square over rho minus mg. And then we just move the other component into the other side and just leave v over here. So it will become v minus gp square root. So the roller coaster will not fall down from the track. Okay, that's all for me. Bye.
Hello, today I will explain about question 3b. Solution for question 3b. The question is, solve for height the coaster car will reach at point C. This is the point given is mass and density of B. Today we will use this formula is assumption of Fn equal to mass times An. This formula will get weight minus normal force. Normal force is 0. We will get from question 3a and equal to mass times Vb, velocity B square over density. After that, we will substitute the value into this formula until we get Vb. This is the answer for Vb. After that, we will use this formula to get velocity A. That formula is Ta plus Va equal to Tb plus Vb. Ta is kinetic energy. The formula for kinetic energy is 1/2 times mass times velocity. And the formula for potential energy is weight times change of y. We will substitute the value into this formula. But for change of y at point A is 0. After that, we will get the value of velocity A at point A. After that, we will use this formula again for find h. But at point TC is 0 because we assume the roller coaster car stop at point C. We will substitute the value into this formula to get h. The answer of h is 47.5 meter. That's all. Bye.
Assalamualaikum and greeting everyone. Today I'm going to elaborate about question which sound like this. A man has a moment inertia Isaac about the z-axis as shown in figure 6. He is originally at rest and standing on a small platform, which can turn freely. He is handed a bicycle wheel that has a moment of inertia I. When it is at rest and he starts rotating the wheel with an angular velocity, neglect the effect of holding the wheel at a distance d away from the z-axis. Determine the man's angular velocity for each of the following conditions. For question 1. He holds the wheel upright at 0 degrees as shown. It will be like this. By conservation of linear momentum, summation of Hz1 is equal to summation of Hz2. The equation will be like this. Because the man was at rest, so we'll consider this 0 because he is at rest, and then proceed. And the final answer should be like this. The angular velocity should be 0. For question 2, he holds the wheel at 90 degrees. So the summation of Hz1 should be the same as summation of Hz2, and the equation should be like this. So shift should be 0. Should be 0, and the final answer should be like this. the last question, it as he holds the wheel downward at 180 degrees. So the summation of z should still be the same as summation of z2. And the equation should be like this. This should mean 0. Should equal to and the final answer should be like this. That is all from me, and thank you all for watching.